first question, what is the domain and range? Domain and range. Domain refer to X value. Okay, domain refer to X value. Okay, from the graph, X value, this is X value. Okay, on the graph until this line. This line is negative. Okay, this is 0, 0, negative 1, negative 2. This is negative 3. Negative 3. So negative 3 not in the domain. Why? Because of this is the graph is stopped until this line. Okay, means that no graph cross the line X equals negative 3. So here you still got graph. Graph until infinity. From negative infinity stop until X equals negative 3 and continue up to infinity. So the domain is from negative infinity to negative 3 stop, and then union negative 3 to infinity. Or you can write all real numbers except negative 3. This is refer to domain. How about range? Range refer to Y value. Okay, check Y value. Okay, Y value. Okay, here got graph until dotted line. So this is no graph. So this is line 0, 1. So okay, from negative infinity Y up to 1 stop and continue 1 to infinity. So no graph when Y is equal to 1. Okay, so we can conclude that the range, okay, Y value from negative infinity to 1 to infinity, or all real numbers except 1. Double check the option. All real number except negative 1. Okay, all real number except 1. So this is this one. Okay, this is 3, 1. This is all domain, all X equals no. This is not 1, and also this is not 1. Is this option, first one. Okay. Number 2, what is the x-intercept of the exponential function? X-intercept means y is equal to 0. Okay, we're going to find something y, the graph. Okay, let's say this graph, the graph is like this. Let's say the graph is like this. Okay, x-intercept here. Okay, when y is equal to 0. Okay, what is coordinate for x? Okay, now from the graph, this exponent graph, okay, re-sketch the graph. The graph is like this. For exponent, the graph is like this. Okay, and it cuts y-axis. Let's say this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and the graph is sliding down, approaching x-axis, but never touch x-axis. Okay, we call this one asymptote. Okay, the graph, the blue graph, never touch x-axis. So no x-intercept. Okay, no x-intercept. Answer is that is not 1. Okay. And then number 3, what is y-intercept for the function given? This is quadratic. This is plot the graph. Sketch the graph. Okay. Sketch the graph. This is quadratic. Okay. When x plus 2 equals 0, x equals negative 2. Okay. Negative to 9, that is the maximum or minimum. The graph is negative. It's negative. So this is set graph. Set graph means that it has maximum value. So negative to 9, let's say here. This is the maximum value. Dash, this is set graph. N shape. Okay, set graph. So we're going to find y-intercept. Y-intercept, okay, means x is equal to 0. Y is equal to something. Okay, this is the when the graph cuts at y-axis. Okay, and substitute. Okay, y equals negative x0 plus 2 squared plus 9. So 4, negative 4 plus 9, 5. So here is actually 5. So the point is 0, 0, 5. Okay, 0, 5. So this is the point that y-intercept. Okay, settle for number 3. For number 4, domain. Domain for this function. This is ratio function. Okay. Y equals 1 over x plus 2 minus 3. For the ratio function, everything below denominator is not equal to 0. So what is inside the denominator? X plus 2. X plus 2 not equal to 0. Means that x not equal to negative 2. So let's say if you substitute x equals negative 2 inside here, 1 over negative 2 plus 2 minus 3. Negative 2 plus 2 is equal to 1 over 0. Okay, and then take calculator. Your calculator should give answer invalid or undefined. Okay, undefined. So x cannot be negative 2. For this function, okay, all real numbers set negative. Okay, from negative infinity up to negative 2 union, negative 2 up to infinity. Okay, this is domain for this function. Negative infinity to 2, negative infinity to negative 2, union negative 2 to infinity. This is the option. Okay. Number 5. What are the x-intercept, y-intercept for this? Okay. Y equals 2x minus 4 over x plus 1. To find x-intercept, okay, x-intercept, okay, means that something graph, okay, the graph, something cuts at x. It implies that y is equal to 0. y0. When y0, substitute 0 to x minus 4, x plus 4. Okay, because it is equation, so 2x minus 4 is equal to 0. Okay, and therefore x is equal to 2. So the point is x2, y0. This is x-intercept. Okay, this one not the answer. This one not the answer. Between the two options. So we're going to find y intercept. Okay, y-intercept, the graph is something like this. Starts at y-intercept, means x is equal to 0. X equal to 0. When x is equal to 0, substitute. Okay, y equals 0 minus 4 over 0 plus 4 equal to negative 1. So the point is, when x is equal to 0, y negative 1. 0, negative 1. Okay, so 0, negative 1. This is the option for x-intercept and y-intercept. Okay. Number 6. Which graph does not pass the vertical line test? Okay, this refer for function. Okay, this one. 2 points. Okay, the vertical line test cuts at 2 points. Here, 1 point. Okay, here also the graph 3, the vertical line test cuts at only 1 point. Same also for graph 4. So for graph 1, the vertical line test cuts at 2 points. So graph 1 is the not pass the vertical line test. Okay, this answer is graph 1. Okay, this is not show the function. When you're going to test a function, you have to use vertical line test. Okay, if the vertical line test cuts at more than 1 point, means we can conclude that the given is not called a function. Okay. For number 7, is the relation a function? Why? Reason. Okay. Give in mapping form. Maybe you can see clearly. This is a relation 1 to many. Okay. So now, okay, just catch x, y axis. Axis. Okay, x, y. Okay, this is x, this is y. Okay, domain, range. Negative 7. Let's say this is negative 7. Maps to 3. Then 11 maps to 5. 5 maps to 5. And also at the same time 11 maps to 8. Okay. So using the vertical line test. Okay, so you use this one, vertical line test. Okay. So vertical line test, okay, shows that it cuts at 2 points. This is not a function. Okay, why? Because it cuts at 2 points. Okay, and check the option. Okay, yes, no, this is no, this is no, no, because the x value 11. S2Y values. So this is the option. Number 8. What is the range of the table? This is domain. It is range. So range is, okay, let's say if we transfer to mapping. Okay, mapping. This is domain. This is range. Okay, so domain. Okay, the elements are in the domain is 1, 2, 3. Okay, then the range here negative 2, 3, 7. So actually range is negative 2, 3, 7. And you can see, you can check the mapping. negative 2 to negative 2, 1 to 7, 3 to 7, 2 to 7, and 4 for 3. So this is the range. Range is negative 2, 3, 7. Okay, in a curly bracket. Just 3 elements for range. Okay, the answer is 3 elements for range. Okay. Number 9. What is the domain for the graph? Domain refer to x value. X value. X value. Okay. So now here is negative 3. Got the graph. The graph. Okay. So graph should domain until this is 3. So domain is from negative 3 up to 3. Included. Okay, so answer is here. For range refer to y value. So starting here, this is negative 2, got graph. Graph, even stop here, but still got graph here on the right hand side until 10. So from negative 2 up to 10. This is y value. So answer is from negative 2 to 10. That is the option. Okay, so that's all for this quiz.